talk about lifestyle, travel, and fashion. And if this is your first time, welcome. And if not, welcome back. Well, today's video is unboxing the Delta box for the month of August. Too long to unbox this box, but I know, but y'all don't understand. August was my birthday month, and this girl been busy, but enough of me. Let's see what our sisters have put together on that great month of August for the Delta box. All right, so we will be looking in this box for the first time together, you and I. So let's see what's in this box. I am so excited. So here's the box. Flip it over so you guys can see it. It's the same packaging. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. I wonder if it's a coat in here. Well, jacket. We're going to see, but let's see what's in this bad boy. Okay. Oh, and this, like I said before, it comes faithfully every month. They send notifications. The notifications will let you know that, hey, your box is coming, and there is always a tracking for you to track on the particular date. Now, they do come on time on that date. Now, the only time that the box has not been on time was because of the COVID, and everything was going slow motion. But they kept you in constant communication about your box. So kudos to you guys. You guys rock it. I just love getting this every month. So let's see what's in this box. Like I said, it is very heavy. All right, so again, like I stated, the box always comes with a card. And the card said, ask, believe, and receive. The blessings is still yours. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to have to make sure I keep this because this girl is looking for some blessings, okay? We're going to keep you. All right, so again, it's wrapped very nicely. Sometimes I don't even want to rip it, but I do want to rip it because I want to see what I got. But, oh, I know. Look, guys. It has notepads in it, and I was telling my co-worker that I needed some more pads, and bam! Oh, it comes in a pack of 3. Let's see what they all have different facing pictures on each notebook. All right, you have this. That's nice. You have this, and here's the third one. Boom. So it is a notepad. You can take to church. I can use it for work, or I can use to write my thoughts and everything down when I'm doing my blogging. So this is great. I love this. And I knew it was a jacket. It's a jacket. All right, so hey, wait a minute. Let me look at the jacket last. There's something else in here. Oh, something that I can, file things. This is nice. Okay. Let me see. Oh, you guys. A folder. This is so nice. Most definitely I would be using this at work. Your little papers, you can keep them inside of this. You can take it to your sorority meetings. This is nice. Oh, and it's hard. Is it leather? Oh, this is nice, you guys. So let's get to the most exciting part. In the jacket. Oh my gosh, you guys. You guys, this is on point. This is nice. I love the sleeves. It has the red and white at the end. It has the red and white at the bottom here. Also on the pocket. And also your zipper has the Delta sign on it. Oh my gosh, this is nice. the inside of the jacket, and also is labeled the Delta. Let me see, the Delta box. So you guys, this is nice. I love this, getting me ready for the fall weather. I am never not happy about any of my boxes that do come each month. And I love this especially because it came in the month of my birthday of August. And I love this. I cannot wait to wear it. I think when fall actually breaks come on through, I will most definitely pick this as the first thing that I will be wearing. A great jacket. Everything in the box was great. You guys, if you are interested in making a purchase to the Delta box, I will have that information linked at the bottom for you. They do also run specials that if you do want to buy a box for a soror, for a birthday, or for a celebration, or either for a line sister or a new sister that's coming to our sisterhood, those options are also available for you. Now, you know, I'm going to say this before I end my blog, that you are beautiful from your head all the way down to your toes, and know that you are loved. You're loved by me, and most of all, you are loved by God. Until the next video, I want you to stay safe, and I want you to stay beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment about this video, and I look forward to talking to you again soon.